guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today is the internet's first look into my actual closet. I don't know if I'm excited or if I'm scared. Probably both. But in today's video, I'm going to be organizing, decluttering, and just getting rid of a lot of stuff in my closet. My plan is to go through my closet, get rid of as much as I can, take it to donate or to try to sell it, and then organize it in a way that actually will work for me and will function for me. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. It's a disaster. I mean, it's been worse, but it's not good. So, at least we're there. Are you guys ready to see what my actual closet looks like? Okay, let's look. Okay, so first thing over here, we have some stuff I already want to get rid of. Dresses and skirts for church, and then these are like work shirts. And then right here it stops. And this is just random, like after work, fall clothes, kind of random stuff. Up here we have some purses, and then all of my Ugg boots and my other tall boots. Then down here, woohoo, we have a laundry basket, a bag of trash, and some extra shoes, my shoe storage. Then we have, oh heavens. So we have a shirt hanging off of a pillow, 2 pillows, some Minnie Mouse ears, slippers, random clothes. I'm sure we'll find a ton of treasures back there. And then this is like my wedding dress, so it takes up a lot of space, and yeah. Basically my closet is a mess. It's not organized, there's stuff everywhere, and sadly enough, I'm not gonna show you, but there's probably a good pile of, fairly big pile of clothes sitting on my bed. There's socks randomly strewn about my house because my dog loves to take them and play with them. And I literally have a suitcase sitting right over there that's half unpacked. So, lovely. This is not all of my clothes. I keep like shorts, sleep stuff, swimwear, t-shirt, tops, and socks and underwear and stuff like that in my dresser right over here, which in itself would be a whole other organization video, so I'm not even gonna show you. But let's dive in and tackle my closet. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to go through all of the clothes, find what I actually wear, and if I don't actually wear it, or if I don't think I'm gonna wear it, then I'm going to take it off of the hanger and make a pile on my floor because my bed's way too far away. I am such a what if person, and I'm always like, oh, but what if I need this? What if we move and I want this? This is like the epitome of that. I bought this probably 3 years ago because Riley and I want to move to Texas, which we probably won't even do. We probably aren't even gonna end up in Texas, but I keep this because I love UT, I love the Longhorns, and it's a freaking Victoria's Secret pink jersey. So I'm like, do I wanna keep it or do I wanna give it away? The struggle is real, for real people, like seriously. Ugh. I'm gonna keep it. Okay, so this is what we have so far. This is laundry and then the random clothes that I found in the corner, makeup, pillows, extra blankets, hats, everything like that. So now the plan is to go through all of this stuff and kind of figure out a way to organize my closet a little bit better while sorting through any clothes that I do wear or that are in this laundry basket that I don't want to keep. So then I'll wash them and then put them in the pile. Because I really didn't make as much progress as I thought I would. Like, I still have a whole heck of a lot of clothes in there. I think I got rid of like 7 things, which is not good enough. So I'm gonna go through my bins as well. I guess I'm gonna call this closet and clothes declutter, because I'm definitely gonna go through my drawers as well. So these are all of my like t-shirts and stuff that I wear to work out, wear to bed, just wear like around the house, and it's completely full and it's all just t-shirts and it's like bulging on the sides. So I'm going to go through this. I know there's stuff in here that I can get rid of. It's just if I can part with it or not. So I've made it through my whole bin and I've got a pile of giveaways, which again is so minuscule. I don't know why I can't part with things. But then I have a whole stack of t-shirts that I'm gonna keep. Why? I don't know. So I'm just gonna put them back in kind of in order of like what I wear most, what I wear least. And then, yeah, this is the only one that I'm gonna go through. Everything else is pretty good on like what I have. So then I'm going to start organizing my closet. It's so much more compact. I love it. Okay. That one's done. Okay, so it is a day later. I had some laundry to do, so now basically everything that I own is hung up in my closet or is in a pile for me to donate. So I'm gonna show you guys a little closer, but as you can see, there's like no rhyme or reason to why it looks this way. I think what I'm gonna do is church clothes over here, work clothes right here, and weekend clothes over here, but then I will organize them by like tank top, t-shirt, long sleeve jacket in their own separate piles, if that makes sense. Okay, I think I officially got it organized a way that will actually like function for me. So I'm gonna give you guys a quick overview of what it all looks like and I'll explain why I did it the way I did it. Well, right here, we have like my bride robe, wedding dress, another night robe, and then we get into like my church clothes, so longer sleeve dresses, short sleeved tank top dresses, and then skirts. Then we get into like work clothes and nicer clothes. So I have some tank tops that I never actually wear to work because it's just like not appropriate. And then I have some undershirts and some basic t-shirts that I wear like underneath like work jackets. Then we get into my nicer t-shirts, polos, button-ups, and then we get into 3/4 length shirts, then long sleeves, and then things I wear over shirts like flannels, sweaters, cardigans, and then jackets. This part, the lighting's not great, so I'm sorry, but bear with me. I did the same thing. I did tank tops, t-shirts, and then like long sleeves that I wear for working out or that are softer, and then actual like jackets and sweatshirts, and then like my actual like winter jacket right here. Then these are things that I don't ever wear. So those last two items are like a polo and then a sweater that I don't ever wear except for on like the one time a year occasion that like it's needed for golfing or it's needed for like a family event. So I'm obviously keeping those, but they don't need to be mixed in with my clothes, so I just put them to the back. So that is it for my closet organization video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, give me a thumbs up and make sure to comment down below if you like cleaning videos and organizing videos so I know to make more for you. Also, please comment down below your favorite type of video, cleaning, vlogs, DIY, fashion, hairstyles, that kind of stuff. Let me know what you like to see so I can make it for you. And I just am so appreciative of you guys watching my videos and supporting me while I'm trying out posting 3 times a week. This is my 2nd week of doing it and I love it so far. I have so many videos planned out and I really love being on a schedule. So I hope you guys liked it. If you did, give me a thumbs up and I'll see you next time. Bye.